Topic: International political philosophy before 1920. Part 1. Thomas Hobbes. Thomas Hobbes lived through the English Civil War (1642–1651) amid chaos and turmoil. The Civil War was fought between King Charles II's supporters and parliamentary leaders, each of whom claimed they would serve the highest force in the nation. For 9 years, from a total population of just 5 million, the Civil War cost well over 100,000 lives. Hobbes saw the people around him suffering greatly. Wandering the countryside wasn't uncommon for bands of unpaid soldiers, taking what they wanted and murdering whoever stood in their way. The land had been stalked by anarchy and death was never far away. This experience gave Hobbes a specific viewpoint on the government-individual relationship, which is the subject of his most significant novel, The Leviathan, published in 1651. In it, he argues that all human beings are fairly equal in their capacity to damage and hurt each other. This makes all humans vulnerable to another human being attacking them. In a world without a government to impose order, a situation which Hobbes calls the state of nature, every human being must be vigilant against threats to their survival. A world without democracy, he says, pushes society into a perpetual state of war because the positive or benevolent intentions of others cannot be trusted. We still have to be on our guard, so that we are not targeted. This condition, in which there is no monarch capable of settling conflicts and maintaining security, is called anarchy. In an anarchic setting, Hobbes claims that our lives will revolve around survival, leaving little room for agriculture, the arts, sciences or foreign affairs. In anarchic settings, Hobbes says, man's life is lonely, bad, unpleasant, brutal and short. The only solution for this unfortunate circumstance is the formation of a government that can replace the state of nature with order, a system of rules and laws. That is best done by giving political, legal, cultural, and social authority over a population to one ruler. This ruler is the Leviathan of the title of the book and is mainly responsible for the replacement. Hobbes continues to influence other IR thinkers. His theories have remained especially important in international affairs because there is currently no central government capable of making and implementing decisions on behalf of the world. The world is now divided into smaller political groups, states, that follow their own international goals. Hobbes' powerful logic, combined with the continuing existence of war between states, Hobbes' fear of chaos and its impact on human progress has led many thinkers to accept it. Many strands of IR theory tend to adopt a deeply Hobbesian view of human nature and the world we live in, fearing the absence of government, distrusting other people's motives and seeing almost any sort of order as preferable to anarchy. Next video, John Locke (1632–1704), Part 2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.